Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Bahar and today I'm going to review the OLFA L5-AL Heavy Duty Utility Knife. I've been using this knife for years and I'm absolutely happy with it. OLFA is a Japanese brand and all their products are premium quality. You can see it's been written made in Japan on the handle as well as on the blade. This knife is on the X Design range. As you can see, there is an X on the back of the knife, and all the knives in this range have the same design element. The handle is made of ABS plastic and premium quality rubber. The black parts are rubber, which is non-slip and very comfortable in hand. This knife is suitable for heavy-duty cuts like cartoons, thick cardboards, mount boards, and carpet. The blades are also OLFA and they are fantastically sharp. They are 45 degrees, 18 millimeters wide, and 25% sharper than normal blades. Remember, this knife doesn't come with extra blades, so you need to order them separately. It comes in a package like this. It contains 10 blades in each. Each blade has 8 segments that can be snapped off when it gets dull. What I really like about this knife is that it has auto-lock system, so the blade is secure and there is no wobbling in the blade whatsoever. The metal part at the end of the handle is very helpful. You can use it to score the cartoons or open the lids of paint cans. The knife is only suitable for right-handed people. As you can see, the top part of the tip is not in the center. If it was in the center like OLFA knife SAC1 graphic art, you just need to flip the blade and you could use it with your left hand. But unfortunately, this is not the case in this knife. To change the blade, simply pull the entire blade out. Now you have two components, the blade and the clip. Remove the old blade. And carefully insert the new one and slide the whole thing into the handle until you hear the click. That's it. Now it's locked in place and ready to be used. To snap off the blade, extend the blade until the whole first segment is exposed. And then use a pair of pillar and carefully push the blade away from yourself. That's it. Now you have a new and sharp blade. To dispose old blades safely and avoid any hazard in the garbage, I'd like to use masking tape. put the old blade on the masking tape and wrap the tape around all the sharp edges, like this. That's it. Now you can dispose it safely. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips and techniques. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!